Okay.
Why are you backing up?
Yeah, why are you backing up? You're giving him more. Hope it's gonna be a boot or something. What is it, Annie? You got a shark?
I don't know. Or maybe I caught the stone.
Is she actually winding it in?
Are you winding it? Yeah, you're winding it in, right?
Yeah.
I didn't hear the drag.
Is it a stone or something?
Are you caught on this? Oh, a lunch bag letdown if it's a stone. I see bubbles though.
It's moving.
Ah.
Oh, it is the drag.
Oh, is it? So much for excitement.
Keep winding. Oh, you got a fish. You got a good
Oh,
one. Keep
yeah?
winding. Come to me. Come to me. Keep going.
Oh yeah, you got him.
Oh shit!
Look at this thing. What is that? Looks like a whale.
Oh, that is a
He's a catfish or something.
Yep.
Wow.
Oh my god! What is that?
That's a
Catfish.
channel cat.
It's a what?
Channel cat. Those are great to eat, but I need pliers to get it out of his mouth. You just watch his barbs. That's real sharp there.
He's trying to get back in.
Yeah.
You gonna keep him?
I got pliers. No. You got pliers?
Stay away, Anna. You don't. It's got barbs on it, eh? It's a catfish of some kind.
Channel cat.
Big one.
Channel cat. That's big. How heavy is that?
You got teeth.
Eh?
They got skin like leather. That's the problem.
You don't eat that?
I don't. You gotta be.
That's so fun.
You like that?
Yeah.
You're the fisherman of the year on this. Eh?
Oh god. It hurts my wrist.
Was strong, eh?
What? What is it? Scissors might, yeah.
Whoa.
It's alright.
Did he break the?
See, that's the problem.
You don't want to let him go back in without that. With that there, do you?
No.
Yeah.
They're hardy as hell.
Scissors. Go ahead. In my opinion, if she hadn't caught a fish yet, we'd still be there.
That's why I only brought so many worms.
She'd be digging for worms, hey Anna? She gets addicted, hey, don't you?
Well, we could have brought a sleeping bag and a tent. We'll see you in the morning, huh?
Yeah, next time, Anna. Sleeping bag in a tent.
Come back and get you.
All you have to do is put the curves on.
Yeah.